everyone, here's a little sleeve installation method that I tried out the other day and was pleasantly surprised with its results. Now I'm not sure if this method is actually a thing or not, so maybe I'm naive in making this video, but here goes. So first you put your bodice together with its lining so it's joined around the neckline, and if you didn't have a fold at the center back like I do, then you'd want to stitch down each center back so that it's joined together too. Next, take your sleeve and stitch it to one of the armholes. If you're doing a gathered sleeve, then just adjust those gathers like you normally would, and then stitch each sleeve to one of the armholes. It doesn't matter which side, just pick one side and stitch along. So the next step is a little bit cumbersome, but it's not terrible. You're going to roll up your sleeve and pin it at the shoulders so that it's out of the way of the armhole area. And I pinned mine all along that armhole to help keep the sleeve out of the way. And then carefully sew along the armhole again. This is going to join together the lining together with the bodice, and your sleeve will be sandwiched between the two. Now be careful sewing this assembly together, as you don't want to catch your sleeve in your stitches. You basically want to go right over the stitches from the first round of attaching your sleeve, or maybe just slightly inside. I hope all of this is making sense. Then I trimmed up that sleeve and put little clips around the curve, and then turned my bodice right sides out. And now you can see that my sleeve is attached to my bodice, and all of those raw edges are completely enclosed. They're all turned in. Isn't that neat? I hope this video was helpful. If y'all have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. And as always, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I hope to catch y'all next time.